I'm gonna get the good amount. You don't want to be too little, but you don't want to do too much. Blends this nicely. And no wipe top coat on the top. Oh God, yes, thank you so much tuning in on the Instagram to join with us. Great. I'm gonna place my frames. So cute. Even you don't do anything, it's just the frames on it. Looks stunning. All right. I'm using my crystal leaf. Some things stay on the top of pan. And a lot of questions still sent to us, and how do you decide to place a crystal looks nice on the nails? You know, be honest, as long as you get all of your crystals stay close and tight together, they always come out nicely. So it doesn't matter what color and what designs you would like to do, as long as you place them really tight together. They ones come out with really nice, super cute design for you. I'm gonna place right between the crystals. I am going to place that beads on there. Good. It's not gonna give me a hard time at all. I'm gonna pull it off for just a second. And continue to place my beads. This not only fill into all the gaps and it creates really nice frame look for crystals. Also, it keeps it connecting and tie them really nice together. I can adjusting it right before I'm cured. you go. I'm trying to not letting them hanging off on the frame, which is using your nails as a frame. It's really detailed, and then when you start playing with them, you'll start feeling it's really easy. It's not that difficult. Then you think like, oh my god, it's just so much detail. Actually, be honest, it's not at all. Just like how you like to place them. That off a little bit because we don't want it catching. Sorry. It tilted out a lot. I think I try to doing it and show you seeing it. It's hard because I'm gonna try to get closer because it's so bright on my ends. Be honest. On my end right here. There's so many in here. Okay, I got it. I need that. No, not yet. You happy with this? Here. If you're not happy with this, continue to do what you really want to do. Put it on extra more. I think it looks really cute though. Like, you know what he'll say? It looks fine. No, we want a dramatic. We don't want fine. What are you talking about? Well, our nails never been fine. Hello, buddy. Sorry, just be silly. Because men will never understand how cool the nail is. Nails can be a statement. Like, everything can be messed up, but not your nails. So we had to make it dramatic look. So now I feel it's complete. Do you think so? I feel like I'm talking to myself. I need to look at all the comments right now. Okay, I'm queuing it and then we can chat. Sorry, I was like, either I'm go big or go home because I want you to have really dramatic. If I do your nails, that's what I want to put it on. Ta-da! Feel it? Good? Okay, make sure this one is not hanging off right there. Alright, do you see any crooked at all? I'm so OC. Okay, great. Here for 60 seconds. It's April. That's right. You can see. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, here now I deliver this nails to the LED lamp and someone on the side will mess it up. Did you mess it up? Are you sure? I'm busy talking to a lady.
Because I think you've been sitting and kind of tilt it to one side. So you kind of push it to the middle.
For real? Okay, I'll take your word for it. If you get me a Starbucks, then I'll let you go.
You got like 10.
You think? Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. All right. Oh my god. LA Woman's, yes. Thank you Danielle. Okay, so this is here cute two nails we did earlier. I just want to recap quick before we move to the fourth nails. If you miss it, don't worry. You can always re-watching them on Facebook and on, I believe, Facebook and YouTube's gonna upload it to ladies as well. So this is the first one we did the chromes underneath, and I believe the name is I got the pictures right here. Then I'm sorry, the name is Emerald Lights from Chromatic art. It's really luxury. It doesn't look like, it doesn't have the effects of really like chrome planes, but it also doesn't have the effects of holochrome. So it's not over holochromes, but it's not plain chrome. So that is what, I don't know how to explain it that, but that is exactly when you're seeing it, it doesn't overpower it, but it doesn't look just plain Jane. And we did it encapsulating. We're using the one layer of a green acrylic powder. So whatever colors of powders you have similar, one layer of green powders, and then we applies it, and then let it set, and using one layer of no white top coat, and key it for 15 seconds, and apply that chromes, which is that chromes on over in the top. And after that, you're using a top coat again and coat that, so you don't want to mess it up when you put acrylic on. Key it for 30 seconds, and then you can start doing ombre of your nude or light pink or whatever colors you would like to do it on the top to create that ombre look on the top of chrome. And after that, we did the condensed glue gel, no white top coat, and we'll place all that crystals. This is dragon scale and all the frames on it. Same thing with this, but this one is the color deep blue sea, deep blue space. I think that's colors, but you can't see because I put a lighter green on it. So whatever colors, like the deeper colors you get, your chromes will reflect of your deeper colors, and it'll give you even more dramatic. So here's our two nails, and then we have this third one right here. We are going to using the precision glue, because this one I would really want to using precision glue because it's so dramatic and has a lot of going on frames and more crystal on this one. So you want to make sure you're gonna check, and I feel the gaps right here and the edges right here from the frame, even I'm bending it, it still have some there. So then you just need to do a check first before you squeeze the little precision glue out. You see how I squeeze out? That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot, just a little, go a long way. And you can always repeating this after you key it for 60 seconds, and you can repeating it. Like I have a client that they even check it for me and say, Nancy, can I get some more here? I feel it's like catching, because they're the one feeling it really well as well. So you feel it in one thing, but then the clients experience it because they're weighing the nails. So they usually like telling it, can I get more on it, or can you check? And they can tell you right away, and it's really awesome. It's helped that eliminating of all that catchings, and it's even keep the crystals stay last longer by when they're using it. It's not gonna catching on their hair, their clothes, or anything else. They're doing it the normal life, you know, routine for them. All right, so here, right here, right here, I'm gonna do like really good exam for that, because in that way they can be sit back and ensure their nails is beautiful. That's the last things that they need to take care of, to get in the catching on their hair, or every time they go in shower or shampoo their hair, they feel it. So great. So blend it. I'm using a twin tip brush, and then blend all that extras precision glue, so then that way when you finish it's gonna look flawless. Great. Key for 60 seconds.